Hello and welcome back to the RAW series of game development using GameMaker. So in this one I'm going to try and be super quick, already prep some stuff, so I'm starting to sort of prep on some things. So yeah, and then let's get straight into it. Basically we're just going to create a menu for today. It's going to be really simple, really basic menu, but it's going to give us the ability to start the game. So when we boot it up, we'll come to the menu, we can start the game and we can exit the game. So pretty much where we start, if we go to objects, we right click, go create, put in a new object, and when it loads, we're going to call this object game menu. Then from here, like I said, I've already done some of the work. So if I go to the create event, then in here, we're going to add some properties. So these are basically these ones here. So within this, we create an array menu. We have our start, config, and quit options. And then we've got a pointer that points to the one we've got currently selected. We have an enter check, so we just check if the enter is pressed. And then we have an offset for drawing out the menu. So then from here, we can go to the step event, a new step event. And then within the step event, bear with me for a second. We basically have all this code. As you can see, it's not very formatted very well. Let's see if we can just fix that up. So I just scroll down. Go like this, like this, like that, like that. I need to go backward. But basically what we're doing here is we'll be on the menu screen. When we're on the menu screen, if we press up, our pointer minus equals 1. If the pointer is less than 0, we basically bring it back. Just cleaning up a little bit to make things a bit easier to read. So there we go. That's a bit neater now. Basically, if we VK up, our pointer will be, so our pointer minus equals 1, so it's going upwards. If pointer is less than 0, we pretty much point to the last array length, and then -1 to bring us back to that last length. Then we press the down key, we do the same thing but the opposite direction. If we press the enter key, we then check the pointer, and then we switch it depending on what pointer value is. So case 0, case 1, case 2. So case 1 I haven't got anything for. That's like an options type thing. If we go back here, get the configuration or options, for example, and the step event just controls the functionality. So then from here, we need to draw it. So we go into that event, draw event. And then within here, we copy and paste as again, that one, and then draw text, that one. So that's pretty much it there. So we loop through our array options, and we plus 1 to every time we loop through. We first draw the text. Then if our pointer equals I, and our I being whatever the option is, if our pointer equals that option, we redraw the text again, and then, but it's going to be slightly bigger. So the way I look at this is, what we're doing is draw text, the room width divided by 2. We might actually go +1. Then I'll explain why in a second. And then room height divided by 2. +1. Put that in brackets 2. The reason for that is if we go to our room initialize, which is this room, we're gonna, instead of going room next, we're gonna remove that firstly, and then we're gonna add in our new game one. So now we should be able to play. And from here, we should be able to see exactly our menu. So there's our menu. And then see here, when we draw, it's drawing it a bit thicker. That's because we've just offset it by 1 with the pointer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If we go options, nothing should work. If we go start, we should be able to play our game. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And when we go quit, so we haven't got a way to get back to the menu right now. Well, but basically, if you want, you can have it so when on the player, we can have an escape, returns you back to the menu. But that's it for today. Just wanted to give you an insight of the menu. There you go. Very simple, pretty quick, pretty easy. There's not too many steps to it either. So yeah, provide us with any feedback if you like. Let us know your thoughts. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.